My name is Vince. I'm a student at the University of Central Florida, and I'm the creator of the Auto Hanger. With those early morning classes, coffee was a necessity. But when I went to go put my coffee down, my cup holder was filled with clutter. I realized I needed a better place to organize these items, which inspired me to create the Auto Hanger. With your support on Kickstarter, I will be able to start the manufacturing process of the Auto Hanger and share the idea with the world. Please know that all your support is greatly appreciated. Go Knights!
Is it all you need to feel this heat? To feel like everything's all that you dream? Is it all too much? When you get enough, does it set on fire all the things that you touch? And it fills me up, and it starts to shine, and I see it burn when you bring me to life.
There are many wall hanger products available on the market, but they are bulky and limited in use. Introducing Ruggy, the scientifically balanced wall hanger that gives you the perfect leverage to hang or release any type of fabric in one smart move. It's over 20 times smaller than a standard towel rack and 4 times smaller than a hand towel holder. Ruggy holds soft and silky fabric tight, wrinkle-free, and doesn't leave a dent. And no tools required. It's supported by double-sided tape for fast and easy installation. You can put Ruggy in places you'd never put a towel rack, like your boat or RV, or in your closet to save space. Support Ruggy, a simple innovation for easier living.